Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Chrome DevTools with Ctrl+Shift+I or CMD+Opt+I. This gets you straight to the tools. Once done, click the Console tab to run commands and view logs. Make sure to use Elements first when you want to inspect a specific element, then right-click and choose Store as Global Variable or switch to Console to reference it. This combination saves time and connects what you see on the page with the commands you'll run next. You now run real commands. Type JavaScript expressions and press Enter to execute. Use Shift+Enter for multi-line code. Once you've selected an element in Elements, reference it quickly with $0 through $4. For example, copy $0 sends HTML to your clipboard. Also, use Console. Log to print values, Console, Table for arrays or objects, and Insert Debugger to pause execution. These shortcuts speed up testing and let you finish by making changes and monitoring results. Edit DOM or CSS inline to test fixes, and then run the same commands to verify behavior. Once done, keep network and performance panels open to correlate console errors with requests or slow scripts. If an error persists, make sure to clear cache and disable extensions to rule out interference, then reproduce the issue step by step. This methodical loop, edit, test, monitor, resolves most problems quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.